दुबे, ओ दुबे
अभी आया नहीं
अभी तक। हद करता है यार, क्या रहा बिजनेस अभी तक, कैसे लगेगा? टिम्मी, प्लीज ब्रिंग द फोन।
Darling, you want something else, huh? Tea, nimbu pani?
No, that bloody bastard Dubey hasn't come yet.
Oh.
पैसे दो, काम करना नहीं है। हाँ दुबे जी, हाँ मैं ललित वर्मा बोल रहा हूँ। और कौन? बड़ी मेहरबानी आपने फोन उठाया। अरे क्या हो रहा है भाई, सुबह से आया नहीं कोई यहाँ पे काम पे।
एलिस पकौड़े तल के जरा साहब को जल्दी से चाय दिया। हाँ जल्दी जा।
Pimmy, I'm sorry to say, but Lalit na takes on too much tension. It's not good. You've seen all these young men getting heart attacks these days.
शुभ बोल शशि, इतनी जल्दी शादी तय हो गई and Lalit is doing everything single-handedly. वो शादी दा कर है 100 काम होंगे, naturally he stands.
गेंदों का जो गेट लगाया था गिरा जा रहा है, साले गेंदे लॉन पे पड़े हुए हैं सारे के सारे। क्या हो रहा है यार?
टेक इट इजी सर। तो काहे बात पे गुस्सा हो रहे हैं बताइए आप? फूल, अरे फूल क्या चीज है सर? क्या चीज है फूल? अरे आप कहें तो पूरा का पूरा कश्मीर का मुगल गार्डन लेके लगा देंगे हम आपके बगीचे में। हाँ कहिए तो। वो ट्रैफिक जाम में फंस गया हूँ ना।
देख दुबे, होशियारी नहीं कर, तू बस पहुंच जाए फटाफट।
इन 10 मिनट्स एग्जैक्टली एंड अप्रोक्सीमेटली मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा सर।
हाँ
कान टाक और मोबाइल फोन फोन कहा सर।
हाँ ठीक है। कर रहे हैं लेफ्ट को लेना क्या कर रहे हैं तुम? Spoil the decoration also. Don't even know how to drive?
Well, I only got one hand to drive with.
So who told you to break your hand at this time, idiot? कितों आ रहे हैं?
Went to the airport to get your sister and her husband.
हाँ, तू where are they?
I didn't see them.
यार, तू भी कमाल है. Didn't see them? What do you mean you didn't see them?
I don't even know what they look like.
So why couldn't you hold up a placard saying Mr. and Mrs. Tej Puri from USA? They could have seen you. Why are you yawning so much?
Because I've hardly slept, and not to mention I got back from Australia just yesterday.
You young people. Man, what do you need to sleep so much for? Have you found out what time the flight is coming?
Yeah, about 9 o'clock.
So make sure you're there on time and take this car only, okay?
Okay.
And don't put on the AC when you're going to receive them. Only put it on when you have received it. And park this car somewhere else.
Chill.
And take off that stupid topi.
3/4 कप ग्रेटेड कोकोनट। इस ग्रीन चिकन करी के लिए आप जो चिकन है उसको पहले 10 पीसेस के अंदर काट लें हड्डी के साथ।
Oh God, Varun, what are you doing, beta? Why haven't you got ready? Didn't you hear, Papa? He's getting so angry.
Ma, it's the last step, coconut curry, ma.
No, beta, come on, hurry up now. Don't give me a hard time. Come on. And this TV, you know, I'm so sick of it. Take this off. Come on, hurry up.
What are you doing? I'll do it myself.
What? Wear it yourself. I'll wear it myself.
मेहमान आने वाले तू अभी तक पजामे में बैठा है। Did you change your underwear? What माँ? किता की नहीं? सच बता। Or you're wearing dirty ones from yesterday? सच बता। I just hope they're not smelling. You're such a silly little boy.
Little.
Oh God.
Just because India has gone global, should we embrace everything? What about our ancient culture, our tradition, our values? You are saying censorship is unnecessary. Absolutely unnecessary.
So what is your response, Mr. Bhatt? Let's take the example of America. The First Amendment
is not America. This is India.
देखिए ये हमारे देश के नियम हैं। पहले आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन चेंज करवाइए, फिर हम सेंसरशिप चेंज करेंगे।
आप क्या समझते हैं just because you wear handloom and you speak in Hindi that you represent the common man? Well, you don't.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome one of our top dubbists in Delhi, Shivani Talakia.
शिवानी, वो जो स्क्रिप्ट तुम पढ़ रही थी, उसका वो वाला डायलॉग जरा पढ़ के सुनाना।
आप फरमाइए ना।
दे दे ओ बड़े लड़के और भी दे दे अच्छा लगता है ओ बड़े लड़के अच्छा लगता है और दे दे अंदर आ जाओ दे दे मुझे आ जाओ This is what the common man hears.
So somebody's enjoying sex. So what's the problem?
We have to take a short break, ladies and gentlemen. But please stay tuned to Delhi.com.
Fine.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
I miss you.
Oh, hi Aditi. I'm sorry. We're starting in 20 seconds.
I'll be right there.
Okay.
I have to go. Call me.
Aditi, why are you doing this?
Doing what? What am I doing?
I don't think you're ready for marriage.
I just want to settle down.
So what do? Get married to some guy selected by mummy daddy? You've barely known him for a couple of weeks. You are so mature, Aditi.
I can't wait around to see if Vikram's wife is ever going to agree to divorce him. I've read too many magazines, Ria. I know it may never happen.
Do you get all your life's directions from fucking Cosmopolitan?
Don't get so superior with me.
But we're family. And I can tell you what I think and I will.
That's right. My older unmarried cousin, Ria. Now, what would she know about passion? I didn't mean that, Didi.
For all this talk of passion, how about marrying for love, Aditi?
हमारे से बात ही नहीं हुआ ना। हमने बोला भाई देखो अगर इतना माल चाहिए तो पैसा तो बराबर लगेगा ना।
बिल्कुल लगेगा ना।
एक रुपए वाली तो जमाना गया ना भाई। अरे चाय चाय लाना भाई, काली वाली।
ओ दुबे महाराज।
सर हाजिर हूँ।
बड़ी मेहरबानी, तेरी आ गया तू।
अरे सर आपकी बिटिया हमारी बिटिया सर काहे घबरा रहे हैं आप?
घबराओ नहीं, 4 दिन में शादी है दुबे। तेरी से कहा तो सगाई की रस्म होने वाली है आज। समझाने वाले आ रहे हैं 3:45 बजे। हाँ तो इस तरह स्वागत करूंगा मैं उनका। हाँ मेरी नाक कटवाएंगा तू?
बहुत जरूरी फोन है
मेरी नाक।
अरे पेजर पे फोन करिए आप।
हाँ ठीक है, आप जाके मिलाओ ना, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट अपॉइंटमेंट होगा आपका। इवेंट मैनेजमेंट हो रही है, ये भी तो इवेंट मैनेजमेंट। इसको ठीक कराना, इसको ठीक कराना।
समझदार लॉटरी इधर आइए, नीचे आइए, ठीक करिए। बदतमीज काम करने के लिए बिल्कुल माँ मजा से चाय चाहिए इनको, काम करिए।
I want this done now.
हो जाएगा, टेक इट।
अरे I want it fixed just now.
अभी करिए।
Chachu, hi.
हाँ बेटा।
There's a tempo right in the middle of the driveway.
दुबे जी की गाड़ी है, आप हटवाएंगे मेहरबानी से उसको।
भैया टेम्पो हटाओ।
क्या बेटा, कितनी देर कर दी आप लोगों ने?
We had to go to the tailor and then we had to give cards also.
No, but those people are about to arrive. You haven't even got dressed yet.
2 seconds, Papa.
Come on, hurry up.
You're looking very handsome today.
Yes, I know.
Papa.
Come on. Hurry up and get ready.
बहुत प्यारी बिटिया है सर। टेक इट इजी सर, मैं हूं ना सर।
What are you doing here? Just chilling. Just chilling, idiot.
अरे माँ, अरे सट्टा बाजार की चिंता आप छोड़ दीजिए, मुझ पर छोड़ दीजिए आप। हाँ मैं संभाल लूंगा। 12 रुपए लगते हैं 1 मिनट बात करने के मोबाइल पर। फोन रख लो आप, रख। और हाँ फोन पर रखना। हाँ
क्या हुआ है, हुआ कुछ नहीं
Alia, God, what are you doing here? You know, I saw Diti Didi Nanga and I almost saw you Nanga too.
You're so disgusting. Get out now. Out.
Out? What does this word mean?
How come you're so irritating?
How come you're still not married?
Shut up. जाओ सगाई के लिए तैयार हो जाओ, जाओ।
अरे हेलो स्वीटी, की गल है पुत्र, की चाहिए है?
What does this word mean?
रब तेरा भला करे, वो की लिखा हुआ है?
It's uxorious.
हैं?
It's uxorious.
जोरियस? ऐसा कोई वर्ड नहीं होता पुत्र, ये स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है, कुछ मिसिंग है यहाँ। अरे यहाँ एल होना चाहिए, ये है लग्जूरियस, है पुत्र? नरी ने
Oh, so that you are facing this way as barman.
I'm the barman. I'm facing this way, and this acts as the roof.
Yes, yes. No need to be so happy about being a barman. You're not supposed to touch even one drop of this stuff. Understand?
Okay.
Barman should be absolutely sober. Keep this list. This is the part. Make sure the servants don't swipe anything, huh?
All right.
And make sure all these bottles are there and make small drinks for everybody, not too large.
Okay.
The white wine and the whiskey hasn't come yet. Uday was supposed to bring it. Here he comes. My unpunctual brother. Good morning. Afternoon, Cuckoo. Whiskey la?
Kamal hai. What do you think?
We got real scotch from Uday's client.
Thank you, Sona. So nice.
Hi, Lalu uncle.
Beta, why aren't you staying over with your
I have to
sister?
study for my exam. I hope my little Ali didn't trouble you.
अरे नहीं नहीं, she's such a little delight. चलो उठा
कोई है?
यहाँ कोई है. रॉय साहब को whiskey ले जाने को मांगता है. Australian छोकरा इधर आ. Pick it up and take it in. यार कुकू, this is too much. Huh? This is no time for family members to arrive.
अरे भैया, it's only 4 o'clock. अभी लेट कहाँ हुआ है? आप भी यूं intense हो जाते हो. Just relax. Aisha, this is CL uncle and Shashi auntie's son Rahul. Yeah, they live in Dubai. Yeah.
Muscat, actually.
Yeah, Muscat. Okay.
You have a tattoo?
हैं? अरे जल्दी बोलो भाई, नेटवर्क नहीं पकड़ रहा है. हैं? अच्छा हाँ. एक मिनट भाई, एक मिनट. हाँ बोलो. हाँ. नहीं. हाँ. नहीं, हम पहुंच जाएंगे ना. हम पहुंच जाएंगे. हाँ ठीक है, बराबर. हाँ एडवांस लेना. ठीक, ओके बाय. कितना कॉमेडी है साला लाइफ में. देखिए इतना ऊपर चढ़ गए, नेटवर्क नहीं पकड़ रहा है, नीचे आके पकड़ लिया.
You know, I think this Sati Savitri look really suits me. I think your cousin Rahul would really like it.
Hey, you have to know this. I heard your mother tell Hemant's sister that your bra size was 36C.
Why would you do that?
Sorry to say, हाँ, but it's 32A.
I know that, but we can't tell them it's 32A. I mean, इतनी छोटी-छोटी आम जैसी बुरा लगता है.
Come on, आगे.
अरे लड़के वाले आ गए. दीदी वो लड़के वाले आ गए. Shit.
चलो भाई जल्दी करो.
वेलकम. बधाइयाँ हो राय साहब, बधाइयाँ.
थैंक यू जी. कैसा ठीक ठाक?
हाँ जी, बंद कर. अरे वरुण, this is Pimi's brother from Muscat. Rahul, idiot, come here.
Welcome.
अच्छा. ओहो नमस्ते बेटा.
Hey Rahul, give it to me. नमस्ते. अरे नहीं. नमस्कार. Hello young man, how are you?
Have you got the blue box?
Hey Rahul, come here.
This stuff.
So, excited, huh? Soon to be in family way. Aye, Raisa. So you like India?
Bhabhi thi?
Better than Houston, huh? Good. India needs young men like you. Yes, of course. Computer engineers are India's biggest export.
Am I a coolie or what?
So, Raisa, what would you like to drink?
Scotch, please, on the Rockiolis.
Rockiolis means ice.
2 lumps exactly.
Exactly.
The same, thanks.
Rockioli. Rahul, 2 whiskeys here. Huh? 2 cubes of ice, exactly.
Oh my goodness. Look at you. Jeete raho beta. Oh, how lovely you look. Namaste.
Rockioli. Yeah. Mrs. Rai ko दिया. चल बेटा टच.
हाय बेटा.
देख मैं की लेके आई तेरे वास्ते. हाँ पता है रब ने तेरा ब्याह जल्दी जल्दी क्यों तय कर दिता है. मैं उन्होंने कहा कि मैं अपने पोते का मुंह देख के मरना है तो उन्हें मेरी सुन ली.
शुभ बोलिए माता जी.
कितनी सोनी कुड़ी है, गोरी चिट्टी.
बेटा हेमंत को भी हेलो बोलो.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
ओहो हद हो गई है. Give them some privacy ना. हद हो गई. You know I met CL only once and we got married फटाफट.
I must have another drink.
तुम्हारा मन नहीं करता शादी करने को?
Rahul, idiot, come here. Here, come here, hold the camera. Listen. You'll get the hands with the booties.
Let's clear.
कैमरा ऑन करना। On the ring.
हेलो, मुंह मीठा करो।
Focus ना।
Thank you.
ठीक टाइम पर पहुंच गया। अरे वरुण।
This is Varun. He's almost a young man.
How did you manage? I sent this Rahul to fetch you at the airport. He told me the flight was late.
No, it was not late. Nobody was there at the airport, so we took a cab and came.
You had to take a cab? Goodness, Rahul, you idiot. I sent you to the airport to receive him. You come back and tell me the flight is late? किस तरह का बेवकूफ?
He's been working day and night. Unjvi, he doesn't know India.
Bloody number one most stupid duffer.
I'm sorry to say, but I don't like this. हाँ। ये मैं ज़्यादा बोलते रहते हैं। लेकिन जब भी आएगा, मैं बर्थडे को उनके अपने बच्चे होंगे। मैं नहीं आ रही इंडिया वापस। हाँ, बस ठीक है।
Rest of this is Mr. Tej Puri, married to my sister Vijaya. After my older brother Sundar Bhai Sahab passed away, Tej Praji has been the head of the family. He has really looked after us. Oh, come and meet Hemant.
Yes, excuse me.
Yes. Excuse me.
Such a pleasure to meet you. And you, Badmash, you really made us run, huh? 2 महीने नहीं रुक सकते थे.
How are you?
You know how difficult it was to get tickets at this time of the year?
Difficult or not, we would have brought you here first class if we had. We couldn't have had the shadi without you, my darling sister.
Nothing but it's doctors. This is Hemant. नमस्ते भी ना भाभी।
नमस्कार जी, कैसे ठीक ठाक? कुछ लीजिए।
Ria, is that you? Come here.
जाओ बेटा।
Come here. Come here. God bless. Very good.
रख बैठा ले। तो मैंने कहा मारा छोड़। अगर जेब में पैसे नहीं और चाहता है कि बेटी की शादी में क्लिंटन के व्हाइट हाउस थीम वाला टेंट लगा दो। तो लग सकता है क्या? जो गान में गू नहीं है। चले सुअर को दावत क्या है? हाँ।
बहुत बर्फ चाहिए।
क्या?
आइस।
एक बारी? कम से कम 1000 बारी कहो कि भैया बर्फ लगेगी तो लगेगी। सुनते नहीं है? अब क्या?
वो आपको पानी चाहिए?
हाँ?
पानी?
ठीक है।
वो फ्रिज का या नलके का?
फ्रिज का। थैंक यू। मामला सीरियस है।
हाँ, संभाल के। हाँ,
चलिए।
आँखों ही आँखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठे बैठे जीने का सहारा हो गया। आँखों ही आँखों में इशारा हो गया।
You like a cigar?
नहीं, मैंने छोड़ दिया भाई।
छोड़ दिया? अरे अमेरिका सबके स्मोकिंग छोड़ा देता है बाय गॉड।
बड़े अच्छे लोग हैं। वेरी कल्चर्ड फैमिली।
हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत अंग्रेजी झाड़ दो तो you become a very cultured family. Mr. Mohan Rao.
मैं सुनती रही हूँ।
Hey, Bhai Sahab, I wanted to talk to you about Ria's plans. Ria, come here a minute, please.
जी चाचू।
You will sing also, Ria wants to study in America, so we're hoping you could perhaps give us some advice.
What do you want to do, beta?
जी, I'm applying for creative writing program.
She wants to be a writer.
Very good.
Have you thought about it? Where do you think the money will come from? From my teacher's salary? भाई साहब, कुछ समझाइए इससे. Why can't she be like Aditya and do the right thing at the right time?
बहन जी, आजकल राइटिंग में बड़ा पैसा है। वो अपनी दित्ती है ना बुकर अवार्ड वाली, वो अपने किताब लिखी रातों रात करोड़पति हो गई।
Absolutely, just one book. And who knows, it might
Yeah,
happen.
you though must go to the States. You know, Sada Umang is also there.
You must give us his number.
He is coming here tonight. We are hoping that Riya and Umang will like each other.
एक पंद दो कार।
क्यों नहीं? What are the chances of getting hooked?
अच्छा, एक और जोक है नॉन वेज।
Save it for the Sangeet. Keep the jokes for the Sangeet. He'll be the MC na at the Sangeet.
ठीक है, फिर रिहर्सल शुरू कर लेने उस दिन। तुम आए हो न शबे इंतजार
Gory, gory.
Varun, out. What's your problem anyway? Just go. Can't I have some bloody privacy in my own house?
My house too, you know.
Hey, Varun, what happened to you?
Mrs. Mehta speaking. Who's this?
Okay, I have an announcement to make. I'm thinking that if Riya wants to study in America, I will fund her entire education. No arguments. This is my family. तुम्हारी एक नहीं चलेगी. बिना भाभी आपकी भी एक नहीं चलेगी. See, Lalit, Riya is a sensible girl. If she wants to write, we must encourage her.
Pradeep, but that is not what I meant. मेरे हाथ पैर चल रहे हैं.
This is final. We'll talk about it later, okay? Now you tell us what needs to be done for the wedding.
Absolutely. Now you don't have to worry about anything. We are here. We'll take care of everything.
Anything. Huh?
Oh my God, I don't know what to say. But this is enough for me that we are all here together. My God, huh? Mimi is wonderful, na? After so many years. After Surinder Bhai Sahab passed away, I think this is the first time we are all families here together. Arey Riya. Nahi, ro nahi bache. Huh? Come. Oh, don't cry. I know you are missing him. We are all missing your father. But he's here with us. Your papa's hand will always be on this family. Always. You guys goes only, huh?
यार इंडिया जाए बड़ा बड़ा स्यापा है.
Oh, Dubai! अरे एलिस, मैं देखना फ्यूज तो नहीं उड़ गया?
अरे एलिस जरा फोन तो उठा.
Rahul, go and start the generator.
I don't even know where it is.
It's behind the house, idiot.
Come, I'll show you. Hello? Umang? Yeah. Just hold for a sec. It's very unclear.
हेलो उमंग, कदम पहुंच रहे हैं? हाँ, मेरे कताड़े ते झूल रही है. Talk to your mom.
हेलो ले कट गया.
कैसी मुसीबत है यार.
लगता है सारे फ्यूज उड़ गए हैं. जी मतलब फ्यूज कौन सा है घर वाला? ठीक है, ठीक है, हम अभी ठीक कर देते हैं. एक मिनट.
लेग थोड़ा आगे लाइए, थोड़ा थोड़ा इधर लाइए, सीधे। थोड़ा सा नीचे, परछाई पड़ रहा है ना हाथ का, थोड़ा आगे लाइए।
Think you can handle it?
Yeah, sure.
क्या हुआ, कुछ कहना चाह रही हैं क्या? गर्मी बहुत है भाई।
वो आप बत्ती जला दीजिए, लाइट आ गई है।
चूतिया निकले।
Man, I'm glad I got some exercise. All I've been doing is eating and eating and eating.
खाओ बच्चे, खाओ।
I'm sorry I had to wake you up this early, though. But this is the only time we're gonna have on our own. It's just so many ceremonies. And I don't even know who's who half the time.
I know what you mean.
I wanted to talk to you about it.
coffee, ma'am?
Thank you. Do you want something?
I'll have a salt lassi, please.
Yeah, sure, I'll get it.
Thank you. I want to know what's on your mind.
Sleep. That's all that's on my mind right now.
I saw you with your family yesterday. You guys are so close. Sometimes I worry about how it'll be for you in America. You might just feel so alone.
I'm sure I can handle it. It'll be really nice to get away from this damn place.
Why? You don't like Delhi?
No, I love India. I mean, I don't care. America is gonna be new for me anyway.
My fiancé.
Sorry. I'm just not a morning person.
Vicky, is it okay if I join the football today? No, Tiger. I'll be there 100%. I'll be there, yeah, don't worry. Okay, bye. Mimi! Mimi! What are you doing inside?
Nothing.
Nothing. I know very well what you're doing. Come on out. Have to get ready.
क्या है?
You must hide and smoke. At least use a better air freshener.
Oh, I was a little tense.
Tense. What are you tense about? You're going shopping. I'm the one who should be tense.
Well, I'm doing it for our darling daughter, na. You saw how much they gave us. We can't look bad in front of our in-laws.
You look very good with you smoking in front of him, na?
Well, doesn't Saroj drink? Anyway, just let me go into it, okay?
Well, Pimmiji goes shopping again.
And I'm telling you, it's going to cost us.
So what? I'll arrange the money, na? Like I've been organizing everything else.
Acha. You've organized everything else. Who's been non-stop on her toes for days? Just tell me that. Gratitude to chalo.
Oh, badi meherwani, Pimmiji, badi meherwani. Thank you so much for working so hard for your daughter's wedding. Alright, take off your curlers at least.
इस शादी ने तो मेरा दिमाग खराब कर दिया.
आज बहुत लंबा दिन है. बारिश के बाद गर्मी भी बढ़ गई है. मैं सोच रहा था कि एक गिलास पानी, प्यास लगी. आपका गुड नेम? एलिस. अंग्रेजी नाम है. कहाँ से हैं आप?
बिहार. आपका नाम क्या है?
पर्वतलाल कन्हैयालाल दुबे. हमने चेंज कर दिया है, पीके डूबे कर लिया. पीके डूबे बोले तो भी लोग हंसते हैं. वैसे शहर में सब हमको दुबे जी बोलते हैं.
वैसे पर्वतलाल तो अच्छा नाम है.
जी. ये नए बनवाए हैं. इवेंट मैनेजमेंट में उतर रहे हैं ना, इसके लिए. इसमें वो एड्रेस भी है, वो जो कंप्यूटर से फटाफट चिट्ठी भेजता है.
ईमेल.
मालूम है आपको. जी जी. नहीं, रख लो रख लो. और देते हैं ना हम. ये लीजिए.
ठीक है. ये
प्यार है. जी जी. मेरा मतलब है आपने देखी है ना कहूँ ना प्यार है.
क्या हुआ?
कुछ बात बताओ भाई, हमने अब तक कितनी शादियां कराई होंगी? कम से कम 150 पौने 200. मेरी शादी अब तक क्यों नहीं हुई? माँ बेचारी बूढ़ी हो गई कह के कि बेटा बहू ला दे, बहू ला दे. लेकिन हमने अब सोच लिया है कि अब ये अकेली आवारा जिंदगी जो है खत्म किया है और एक सरल सी सीधी सी लड़की देख के घर की रस्ती शुरू की जाए. अब तो आरजू ये है कि दुबे जो अगला टेंट लगाएगा उसमें दुबे खुद दूल्हा बन के आएगा.
वाह वाह वाह. कमाल है, कसम से कमाल है. बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया.
मादर चोर, कान पे बैठने के पैसे मिलते हैं क्या? हैं? काम करो.
शिट. दुबे.
आ रहे हैं सर, आ रहे हैं, आ रहे हैं. टेंट से बैठने नहीं देते.
यस सर।
ओ हद कर दी यार, ये सफेद तंबू।
यस सर।
दुबे, ये सफेद तंबू।
यस सर।
ओ यस सर क्या कर रहा है यार तुम? ये सफेद तंबू कभी देखा तूने जिंदगी में?
नहीं सर, आजकल इन्हीं का फैशन चल रहा है सर, मिलेनियम स्टाइल फैशन Y2K डॉट।
होशियार इन्हें देखा मिलेनियम स्टाइल। शादी में सफेद तंबू देखा कभी तूने? शादी है कि जनाजा निकल रहा है?
सर
देख दुबे, एक ही बिटिया है मेरी, ऐसे सफेद तंबू वंबू नहीं चाहिए मेरे को। कुछ लाल पीला हरा नीला कुछ होना चाहिए, रंगीन कनात होनी चाहिए।
ओके सर ओके। यादव भैया उतारो या उतारो, ये नहीं चाहिए, ओल्ड फैशन चाहिए, लाल पीला हरा।
अभी क्या भी उतारो इसको?
उतारो भाई। ठीक है।
अच्छा सुन, वो वाटर प्रूफिंग का क्या होगा?
वाटर प्रूफिंग तो हमारी कोई बात ही नहीं हुई।
बात कैसे नहीं हुई थी दुबे यार? तो क्या?
अच्छा एक बात बताएं, वैसे भी अभी मोर नहीं नाच रहे हैं, बारिश नहीं होगी।
मोर नहीं नाच रहे, बारिश नहीं होगी? गांजा पी के आया क्या? हैं?
ओके सर एडवांस। अरे हटा।
एडवांस? व्हाट फॉर?
सर वाटर प्रूफिंग मीनिंग मोर मनी। अच्छा देखिए फॉरेन में डील है डील। सर नहीं मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ ना सर। नहीं ये फॉरेन स्टाइल में सारा काम है, लिख के रखते हैं सर। देखिए देखिए कितना चम्मच कितना प्लेट चाहिए, सारा लिखा है इसमें। वाटर प्रूफिंग का तो कोई जिक्र ही नहीं है सर। अब आपकी नीड बढ़ेगी तो पैसा बढ़ेगा ना सर। डील इज डील मतलब बढ़े।
अरे चल कितना लगेगा?
4 48 का वाटर फिल्टर 2 लाख एग्जैक्टली एंड अप्रोक्सीमेटली।
2 लाख यार, NRI समझाए मेरे को।
एरिया देखे ना। अच्छा ठीक है, मुझ पे छोड़िए आप। आपकी बेटी हमारी बेटी, थोड़ा सा एडवांस लगेगा। क्या है कि आज है काम का दिन, कल है छुट्टी, परसों स्टार्ट है, तो फिर अपनी शादी।
हाँ चल, इतना ही है मेरे पास अभी, 5000 है
सर। 2 लाख।
हाँ बाकी बाद में दे दूंगा ना।
रस्सी भी नहीं आएगी सर।
भाई जल्दी करो ना, बाकी देती भी है। अंदर भी
चलो एवरीथिंग इज एयर कंडीशन।
बेटा तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी, कि कोई टाइम मिले चुस्की खाने का। लीना के लिए तो हो गया,
उसकी कजन के लिए लिया है, वो बैंगलोर वाली।
हेमंत के कितने कजिन्स हैं भाई?
ये देखिए इसका पल्लू, सो स्मूथ, चिकनाई इतनी कि मक्खी फिसल जाए और नजर पड़े तो ये गई।
नहीं आई थिंक ये बहुत ज्यादा चमकीला है। ये तो बाय गॉड फैबुलस है।
तो दुल्हन कौन है?
दुल्हन बाहर चुस्की खा रही है।
What are you doing? They're waiting for your approval inside.
Chalo. I don't really know how Hemant thinks. What do you expect of me?
So then call him instead of Vikram. Now please go inside before those aunties come out and start dancing on our head. Thank you.
Hey, you all live, baby.
Arena, go inside. No, Didi, we can try the sitting step and then the chane ki khet mein exercise.
So silly boy. Can you move to this?
What's going on, guys?
Come on, Didi, that's enough.
Not more interruptions. We'll never get this right.
What is it, Rahul? We're rehearsing for the Sangeet. What do you want?
ठीक से लगाओ, उधर लगाओ। हाँ, एक उधर लगाओ। हाँ, ठीक है। एक भी फूल नहीं लगा, सारा का सारा जो है।
देख देख खाली चोर है, मैंने बताया था।
चोरी नहीं कर रही है बहन के लबे।
Lalit and Sam are partners, and Vicky and me.
Let's take them on, partner. That's a great shot, partner.
Thanks, Rajiv.
Great shot, yeah. Good shooting.
Thank God we are partners.
Chal.
I had to talk to you about something, Rajiv.
तू गोल्फ के लिए तो आता नहीं है। Where have you been?
बच्ची की शादी में busy था मैं। Rajiv, I was wondering if.
How's Pemi?
Huh?
How's Pemi?
He's fine.
How are the preparations going?
Preparing first class. But Sam, I'm having a cash flow problem. I was hoping to borrow some money just to tide over this wedding expense.
अच्छा 10 चाहिए किन्ने ने? 10 तो सही।
5.
When do you think you'll be able to return it, partner?
Next month. I have a huge shipment going to Macy's next month.
Hey guys, Mr. Verma here's got some serious cash flow problems.
हाँ भैया, बेटी की शादी में ऐसा ही होता है।
Thank God I don't have any daughters यार, नहीं तो मेरी तो बैंड बजाती।
But you got a high maintenance wife.
But at least she's a self-financed महारानी यार।
जानती सी तू कमरे में जाके मैंने गंदे गंदे जोक सुनाती थी तेरा ललित सो जाता होएगा सॉरी टू से मेरा सीरियल तो रात में नहीं सोंदा सी ना मैं तो सो देता सी
बल्ले 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 बल्ले
Hey, idiot, come on, let's enter the harem. Away, ladies! CL has an item which is more suitable for ladies. Please, give him a hand. So, Varun, enjoying yourself among all the women, huh?
वो चीनी लिया इसकी तो मेहंदी ही सूख रही है
3 4 5 6 7 8 off.
Be a good girl. Don't say no. Open your mouth. Do you like it? I'll be a good girl and open your mouth. There's only this much left. Then it's good.
Hi, what?
Hi, nice Mendi, Ria. She's angry, huh? Okay. Ria Didi will give you samosa, okay?
What were you doing here?
Eating a big samosa.
Why?
Because I'm hungry.
No, why are you eating it here?
Because the samosas were in here.
Why was he with you, Alia?
Who?
Tej uncle?
Alice said the samosas were on the top shelf and Tej uncle came to get the box down for me.
Okay, let's do another question. Okay.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too, Mom, baby.
एलिस एलिस
चूड़िया सारे कर जान वाली ए शाला होण मुरादा पूरिया है सारे कर जान वाली ए शाला होण मुरादा पूरिया है चूड़िया लोई बाबुल तेरे महला विचों तेरी लाडो परदेसन होई है
You know, Pimi, sometimes when I look at them, I feel love which I almost cannot bear. कैसे इतनी जल्दी बड़ी हो गई है? When did we grow old? If only their lives are happy. And for that, I'm willing to take on every trouble, every sorrow in the world.
Need anything, beta?
I'm alright, thanks.
So good night.
Good night, idiot.
I thought you weren't staying here.
I changed my mind.
Really?
How come you're not asleep as yet?
Just thinking
About what?
about good Indian girls. Is this a scorpion?
Yeah, it's my sign. I should go.
It's okay.
I should really go.
Don't go. Please don't.
हो गई KLPD.
Idiot. Where would you like to go?
I just want to drive and drive and drive.
हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे ऐसी बातें किया ना करो आज जाने की जिद ना करो आज जाने की जिद ना करो हाय मर जाएंगे
Why did you come to see me?
I wanted to be reminded why I broke up with you. can't remember.
What is it?
कर क्या कर रहे हैं आप इस वक्त यहाँ पे?
हम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? सुनो बिजनेस
बड़ी अंग्रेजी झाड़ता है क्यों? ले चले थाने। निकल बाहर निकल तू।
Me to the police station? On what basis?
Indecent exposure, obscenity। कौन है तू? क्या बता? बॉम्ब हो? बाहर निकल।
Don't be ridiculous. We look like terrorists.
Come on, what talk to the skip? हाथ ऊपर रख रामजादे। आजा, हाथ ऊपर कर, हाथ ऊपर कर। बजली तेरी घंटी। हाथ ऊपर कर रामजादे। ओम
ये दीजिए। हेलो हेलो डार्लिंग।
एक रात I'll be home soon. चल हमारे साथ चल दो। मजा आ जाएगा।
Well, there was an emergency. Yes. Yes.
No, don't worry. There's just a television show in the background. So don't worry about it.
बुलाओ तेरे आशिक को। That's nothing. बुला के लाओ उसने।
Yeah, exactly.
मैडम।
चले लॉटरी पकड़। चले लॉटरी पकड़ इसे।
दे। ये कलर कैसे लगाने का दुबे जी?
लगा दे कैसे भी। ठोक देता हूँ। मैं निकलता हूँ भाई। गड़बड़ हो तो संभाल लेना।
क्यों? क्या हो गया?
तबीयत ठीक नहीं लग रही। पाँच साल हो गए दुबे जी के साथ काम करते हुए, लेकिन कभी भी उन्हें ऐसे नहीं देखा।
आजकल तो गेंदे का फूल भी नहीं फाकता यार।
कुछ करना पड़ेगा यार।
So what are you going to say to him?
Everything.
Oh God, then?
He's gonna tell me that I'm a slut and that I should get lost.
Adu.
How could I have been so stupid?
Listen, are you sure you want to tell Hemant everything? I mean, everything's over between you and Vikram now.
Ria, I don't want to lie. I don't want to start something new based on lies and deceit. It's just so wrong. You liked Hemant, no?
Yeah.
He's nice.
He's good for you.
Can't do this to him. I'm going mad. What is this music?
Saisha practicing for the Sangeet tonight.
Maybe she shouldn't bother. What? Maybe she shouldn't bother.
Ato.
I'm really glad you called though, you know, because I was going to call you myself this morning.
Why? What happened?
Nothing happened. It was great to see you alone yesterday, so I thought I'd try my luck again.
You look really nice when you laugh.
Oh, yeah?
I need to tell you something. You'll probably hate me by the end of it. But I really need you to know.
It's okay. I'm not going to hate you, though. This used to be my favorite haunt during my IIT days. Best chai in the world.
It's nice.
Oh, yeah? I was hoping you'd like it. जयचंद जी, क्या हाल चाल है?
कैसे हेमंत भाई? मैं तो आपको एक नजर में ही पहचान गया था।
अच्छा।
बहुत साल बाद दिखाई पड़े आप।
बस अब 4 साल बाद तो आया हूँ।
क्या लेंगे आप?
ऐसे करो, मुझे 2 स्पेशल चाय दे दो। एक में चीनी नहीं, हाँ?
हेमंत भाई, क्या सीख के आते हो तुम लोग विलायत से हैं? अब किसी को चीनी नहीं चाहिए। अभी परसों नरसों नरेश शर्मा जी आए थे, कहने लगे कि तुम्हारे पास वो अमेरिका में क्या मिलता है, वो स्वीट एंड लो, वो है क्या बताओ?
आऊँगा फिर से बातें करने।
आइएगा जरूर।
So, what was so important? You don't want to marry me anymore?
Just look at these. Mama gave these to me when I got married. Still so shiny and beautiful. I never used them once. Just hope Aditi will use them.
Pimmi, what have you spread all over? I have to do my accounts and I can't even find my papers. Please don't keep this stuff here.
Then get a computer, na? You won't need any paper. Computers can do everything for you these days.
I'm too old to learn all this computer nonsense. And you know how much money has already got spent? Huh? You know how long it'll take me to repay all this?
Don't worry so much, Lali. Our only daughter's getting married. Nothing's a waste. Look at these sarees. Do you know I bought this one in Madras 22 years ago? I've been collecting these since the day Aditi was born.
This one is lovely. Tomorrow she'll be gone. Just like that in one day.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. I'm sorry too. ये क्या है? गाड़ी हटाओ यार।
तभी नहीं बनता। क्या हो?
गाड़ी हटाओ।
इस तरह से कैसे बात कर रहा है ये? देख। दिमाग खराब कर दिया ऐसा नहीं है? कैसे बात कर रहा है ये? मेरे हिसाब से
Couldn't help yourself, huh? You had to drag me into your mess as well. What am I supposed to do now? Mr. Verma, your daughter is such a rosebud. We'll have a wonderful family in Houston, Texas. Be friends, take our kids to Disneyland, send you a couple of tickets every year. It'll be lovely. But hey, wait a minute. You didn't tell me she's still screwing her ex-boyfriend while you were fixing your marriage, huh? But that shouldn't be such a problem. I'm from America. We shall fit right in.
You know, I've been thinking, Lali. I don't want to send Varun to boarding school.
Oh, come on, Pimmi, don't start this again.
I don't want to lose both my children.
Pimmi, don't start off again, huh? We've been through all this. But he's going to boarding school, that's final. Just wasting his life staying here watching TV the whole day. There's no one here to discipline him. Veena bhabhi ki bhi nahi sunta wo. I just don't know what to do with this part.
He also needs love and affection now. Huh? He's such a sensitive boy, Lalit. And he's so wonderful with all these, creative things.
Creative things like singing and dancing, cooking sesame chicken. कोई अच्छा सा लड़का ढूंढ लेते हैं उसके लिए.
Don't say that, huh? Why do you always look at everything like that?
You know what I heard him telling Tej Bhai Sahab what he wants to be when he grows up?
What?
He said he wants to be a chef. I tell you, हमारा बेटा खनसामा बनेगा. तेज भाई साहब ने भी fainted with surprise. ये खनसामा बनेगा?
Oh, बच्चा है ललित. बोल दिया होगा. Doesn't mean anything.
He's a fool. My son will be a man when he grows up. Understand? He will be an educated professional. He won't be singing and dancing in people's shadis.
Mama,
क्या चाहिए बेटा?
can you do this for me? Make a chain on my eyes.
Why बेटा?
For my dance with Aisha tonight.
अच्छा, okay.
Why can't you do something useful? Huh? Like some exercise or reading your school books for a change. Huh? Look at you, big, huge Hulk. Can't spend your whole life singing and dancing?
Why not?
What do you mean, why not? You want to become a Nautanki wala when you grow up? You don't do any exercise, you don't even play cricket, you don't read a book, just sleeping all day and watching TV, and now this new nonsense dancing.
Why? You also took Mama's dupatta and danced the other night.
You don't compare yourself with me, you're just a kid, understand?
But right now you said I'm big now.
That's it. Now you're going to boarding school, decided.
Since when?
Beta, Papa and I only talking about it.
No, I have made up my mind, we are not...
Please let me talk to him. It's going to be good for you, Varun. Beta, soon, Aditi Didi is going away, na? You'll be so lonely at home. So we thought you'll go to boarding school. You'll have so much fun.
You've also been trying to send me away to boarding school.
No, beta,
Listen,
no.
we are just...
Nahi, beta, nothing is pakka. That school is much better than this school. We thought you'll go there and there'll be so many boys your age. You'll really enjoy yourself.
No, I don't want to go. I won't go. You do what you want.
Beta, we're just doing this for your own good. It'll make you a bit tougher. I think it will be good for you.
I hate you. I hate you both. You don't even understand one thing about me.
You talk to me like that, you understand?
Fine, I just won't talk to you at all.
Arey, Varun.
No.
Beta, please. बच्चे बात तो सुनो.
Leave me alone.
Happy, na? Happy with what you've done?
I did not mean to upset him like that. Why couldn't you say something?
Don't talk to me, okay? Just don't talk to me.
एलिस एक मिनट बस 2 मिनट के लिए आपसे बात करनी थी.
देखिए
हम माफी मांगते हैं.
हम लोग से गलती हो गई.
बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई.
जानबूझकर ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया था.
ये वो खिड़की
लॉटरी की वजह से
पता नहीं वो
हम लोग ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. हम लोग से गलती हो गई.
एलिस प्लीज
आप सुनिए ना.
हम लोग को माफ कर दीजिएगा ना.
माफ कर दीजिए.
आगे कभी नहीं होगा.
सुनिए ना.
Aditi! I'm sorry I lost it out there. I didn't have any right to talk to you like that.
You had every reason to be angry.
Someone broke my heart too a few years ago. I know how hard and confusing it can be. I really appreciate your telling me about Vikram. You didn't have to, but you did. That honesty means a lot to me. Yeah, I know it's a risk, but what marriage isn't a risk? Now, whether our parents introduce us or whether we meet in a club, what difference does it make? I know we can put this behind us. I really do. I believe this can work. I believe we can be happy. As for the question of whether we should get married or not, it's really for you to answer.
चुनीलाल आटा उठ गया। मैंने तो पहले ही कहा था कि चुनीलाल उठेगा। क्यों? तूने तो समझ लिया था ना, है? सोच लिया कि मेरी माँ तो बेवकूफ है, उसे स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में क्या मालूम। मुझे तो पहले से ही मालूम था। अब बता, उठ गया ना? अब कल जाकर बेच आना और फिर हे भगवान, अरे क्या काम इस पैसे का। मैं तो पोते का मुंह देखे भी नहीं चली जाऊंगी। तेरे पिता मरहूम का तो नाम ही मिट जाएगा। सुन, वो टॉयलेट के बारे में नीचे वालों से बात की, आज भी पानी भर गया था। जाने क्या पाप किया है मैंने। तो कोई लड़की ही पसंद नहीं आती। तेरा मन नहीं करता घर बसाने को? रमेश तुमसे 6 महीने छोटा है, 2 बच्चे हैं उसके, तुमसे आधा कमाता है। उसकी माँ हर रोज दोपहर को मेरे पोतों का मुंह देखकर मुझे जलाती है। तेरा तो दिमाग ही नहीं है। हे भगवान, पगला गया है क्या? अरे चड्डी में घूमेगा।
Yeah, that's yours. Especially my mom.
Ladies and gentlemen, attention please. Welcome, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful ladies and gentlemen, and of course lovely children. Sangeet for our beloved Aditi and our dear son, son-in-law. And marriage will take place tomorrow.
You like the only bartender here. I ordered a Bacardi Coke like 20 minutes ago. Just a second.
Gin with tonic, no ice, lots of gin. Like that too.
पटवारे के बाद असी लुटे फटाया था। साडा कोई अग्गा पिछा नहीं सी। तेज प्राजी और इन्हां दे टब्बर ने ही साडी देखभाल की सी। सानू पढ़ाया लिखाया, अपने पैरों पे खड़ा किया।
Move, man.
ऐसा नहीं होता ललित। कोई किसी अब तो आप भी आ गए हमारी फैमिली में।
वेलकम जी, वेलकम।
आपकी आंखों से शराब झलक रही है, आपके चेहरे गुलाब से महक रहे हैं।
Who's that clown?
That's my dad.
Varun, you can't say no now. Please, Varun. Listen
anything anymore. I don't care. And that's decided.
अल्लाह करे जोरे शबाब और भी ज्यादा और भी ज्यादा और
In my opinion, you Punjabis are way too ostentatious.
In my opinion, you Bengalis are way too pretentious.
Touche, Riya.
This is Jibesh, Mandana, this is Mrs. Rai, Aditi is my in-law to me.
अच्छा रिया, get me a rum and coke.
Nani, please go get it yourself.
Please. यार, I would, but I know so many people who know my parents. Please just get it, please.
We will start this evening.
Okay.
With a धमाकेदार item by our own beloved Aisha. Please, Aisha.
What's the matter?
I don't want to do the dance anymore.
Shit. I'm so sorry to hear that.
I don't know what to do. I need to just... Rahul, you can do it. I mean, you've seen us rehearse the steps so many times.
Crazy.
You can make up the steps as we go along. You said that you love to dance. Please, I'm begging you. I really need your help.
I can dance, but it's not a nightclub in Melbourne, you know. I can't dance to this music.
Such a bloody Firangi.
I just fell from grace.
My darling, you have to be standing up in order to be able to fall. I mean, if you keep sitting on your ass, nothing's gonna happen. गिरते हैं शह सवार ही मैदानी जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरेगा जो घुटनों के बल चले. No, sweetheart. The main thing is, you have to fight the battle.
stay up all night together. Really? Let's talk.
Talk? How would you want to talk?
Alice?
Here comes my kissing cousin Aditi.
sister.
Hi, lovebirds.
Okay. I can only handle one woman at a time.
Oh, really? Don't tire yourself out. Tomorrow's the big night.
Oh yeah, and don't corrupt my elder sister, huh?
यार तुझे सारे ने गाने सुने मैं शशि का नहीं सुने हाँ
शशि
वो घर के मानो बाबू
बड़ी रौनक हो जाएगी
अब अंजाम करेंगी शशि जी
मेरा गला खराब है कोई
I don't like kissing.
Typical man. सीधा वहीं जाओ.
No, really, I get just so confused about what to do. Does your tongue go right in? Does it move around? Does it stay still? It just makes me too nervous.
Don't think. Just go with the flow. Ooh. Don't think. I wish I could do that.
I don't know. I mean, kissing could be great, but my mind starts buzzing with the weirdest thoughts, and suddenly I'm thinking of some banal practical thing that needs to be taken care of.
I don't know what the big deal is. I know all about kissing.
Really, baby?
Acha, everything.
Yeah, what's the big deal?
No big deal.
It's gross. You open your mouth and he sticks his tongue in. Yeah, don't you know that's how older people kiss?
So let's go.
Bye. Bye.
See you, Varun.
Bye, Varun.
मेरे महबूब न मांग मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब न मांग मैंने समझा था कि तू है तो दरख्शां है हयात तेरा गम है तो गमे दहर का झगड़ा क्या है
Mr. Carlton, yeah, one moment.
सूरत से है आलम में बहारों को सवार तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है तेरी आँखों
मम्मा को तंग कर रहे हो? I'll take her out for a drive.
में रखा क्या है तू जो मिल जाए तो तकदीर निगो हो जाए
Absolutely not.
I don't know.
Okay. Oh, she's tired and cranky. I thought I'd take her out for a drive.
Thanks, Miss Right.
Yeah. Sorry.
Riya?
Absolutely.
Yeah, what's happening?
Told you to call.
सुनिए, तेज भाई साहब को देखा? ऊंचे लंबे.
What's the matter, Riya?
Just let her go.
Huh? Is anything the matter, beta? What is it?
Just let her go. Chalo.
Let her go from what?
You bastard. Chalo, Alia. Are you
Riya,
alright?
have you gone mad? I don't know. Maybe she's had a bit too much to drink, huh?
Alia, अंदर जाओ.
What happened?
It wasn't enough that he touched me when I was a girl. That wasn't enough that you had to teach Alia how older people kiss.
Priya, will you stop this nonsense?
What did you get out of it? I didn't even have breasts, you sick man.
बदतमीज, पागल.
7 afternoons. 7 afternoons of how older people kiss.
Riya.
You took my clothes off.
Riya, stop.
Open your mouth, Riya. Riya, open your
Stop
mouth.
it.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. And now he's doing it all over again to Alia.
She's lying, Lilith. She's lying.
You don't want to believe me? Then fine. I'm not a part of this. I'm not a part of you.
Say something, Lilith. She's lying. She's
You know
lying.
I don't lie, Chachu. You know it. You know I don't lie.
She's lying, Lalit. Unmarried girls like Riya, they make up all these
Riya,
fantasies.
Riya, you can't go away like this. Riya, please. Riya.
She's mad. They're all going crazy.
मैडम संभाल ले पिमी
Priya? 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 बहस नहीं करते बेटा. चल कर चल. Come, I want you to come home with me just now, and I don't want to listen to anything. Please, huh? Just change your clothes and come home with me. Huh? I'll wait for you in the other room.
Don't pretend like nothing happened.
Riya, I'm not pretending.
You are. You are.
Beta,
You are.
I don't even know how to console you, Riya. What you have gone through, I can't even imagine it. मेरी समझ में नहीं आता बेटा मैं क्या करूं?
हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते जज.
Riya, if you don't come home, तेरे बगैर अदिति की शादी नहीं हो सकती. I'm telling you that. Come home, Riya. I don't even know what to do. I don't know what to do, Riya. My hands are tied. तेज भाई साहब and our family goes back a very long way. उनके बड़े एहसान है हमारे पे. जरा से बच्चे में हाथ जोड़ता हूँ तेरे.
जो प्लीज आपकी गलती नहीं है ना.
Then why are you punishing me? And your sister and your mother? Listen to me, beta. I cannot break up my family. I cannot. Please don't ask me to make that choice. I don't know what Surinder Vaisa would have done in my position. I know I can never replace your father, but you're my child, na? तो बच्ची नहीं है मेरी. My family means everything to me. Please don't leave us. Please. Riya, if you go, सब टूट जाएगा.
चलो चलो वरुण चलिए.
आइए प्लीज इस तरफ. थोड़ा आप वहाँ बैठ जाइए प्लीज. ओके. व्हाट्स योर नेम लिटिल गर्ल? हाँ थोड़ा आप इस तरफ मुड़िए प्लीज. थोड़ा सा. वेरी नाइस. वेरी नाइस. लुक अप. स्माइल. Okay, smile. Very nice. Beautiful. What a lovely family. आपका नाम क्या है प्लीज मैम? हाँ जी
रिया.
आप आगे आ जाइए प्लीज यहाँ पे. कम इन फ्रंट. भाई साहब के पैर के पास बैठ जाइए. Hold it. Eyes wide open. And 1, 2. Okay, everybody now smile together. And watch the birdie. And 3. Very good. Okay, last picture. Big smile, please.
Okay, thank you.
चलो बेटा, बड़ों का आशीर्वाद ले.
I miss you so much, Papa.
आइए आइए. आइए प्लीज. Shashi. Lalita, I'll go out and receive the guests.
No. No. Raji, I don't want you to receive the barat. I can't do this. I can't. I'm sorry. I don't even want you here. Please. I cannot allow this, Raji. I cannot. Both of you just leave my home and my family and go.
Lalit, what do you
I don't want to say any more. Please. Please don't make it worse. No, I don't want to say anything. Brother, please don't make it worse. These are my children, Raji. And I will protect them from myself even if I have to. Please go.
हो गया सर। अरे यार चाकू से मार के अब जयमाला लाओ।
ओ मेरा पुत्र मांगो तेरी तो मैं